Well, I hit the clear coat on this spot right here, and I also did clear coat right there. Got that covered nice. And while I was at it, I mixed up, of course, too much clear coat. I got like almost a full bottle left of my airbrush gun. So I'm going to put these to use. My little sandpaper, and I bought these little daubers. I guess they're called paint daubers. I don't know if I can see them. It's just a little tiny dauber. And I went ahead and did a couple of them just to see how it's going to work out. I did the bad ones. There. Well, I won't really know how that worked out until that clear coat dries, but that's kind of an experiment. We'll see how that goes. But a little sandpaper on the matchstick did a real nice job of just, you know, kind of getting in there and getting that shine off of that little spot. And then the little dauber, just a drop of that clear on there. So if that works out, I'll probably go ahead and do the rest of them. There's probably, I would say, maybe 6 more that you can see, 6, 7, maybe more. I don't know. We'll have to really look close. But I'd rather do that than possibly keep sanding and sand through the clear coat, because this is like the first time I've done this, so I don't know. But if that works out, we'll continue with that method. And other than that, we'll just wait for all that to dry.